To get free items from the shop in Rainbow Six Mobile, first of all, you will need to find the shop in the main menu right here. So as you can see, in my shop it says free, which means that there's a free item waiting for me in the shop. If you have this icon free, that means you can basically go there and take a free item. If there's no free icon right there, that means there's probably nothing for you that will be free in the shop. So if you have this, click on the shop and then look for again free icon, click on it, and then look again for the free item between all of those options right here. So should be somewhere. Yep, so here we have two free items. First one is a currency pack. We can double the reward by watching an ad, but in this case I'm gonna go for a single reward. And that is the pack that I can open, and then inside I will get a silver bullet. Then we have the other one, and it's the currency pack again. You will need to watch ad for this specific reward, but that way you will get a free item. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.